Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Robin. Today I have a really exciting video. I was sent some glasses from Goggles4u. So I am going to show you them, I'm going to unbox them, show you them and give you all the info. This is my first ever PR product and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to take them out of the box. They arrived this morning and I was like, what is this little blue package? I have no idea. And they actually came super quick. I wasn't expecting them to be so quick and yeah, I'm really impressed. So I was like, oh my gosh, what is this package? Took them out of the box. They come in a really sturdy little plastic case. So nothing's getting broken on the post journey here. And the case says Goggles4u. And then when I open them up, they've got a little plastic bag in here. So I'm gonna open that. So nice. So in the plastic bag, they are wrapped in a beautiful baby pink glasses cleaning cloth, which I'm definitely gonna keep. And then here they are, the most beautiful glasses. I'm so excited to try them on. So these are also from Goggles4u, and I've had them for over a year now, and probably more actually. And they are in perfect condition. They're a little bit scratched, but that is my fault. And I wear them almost every day. They're the most comfortable glasses. They're super light. I have really expensive glasses from Ollie Quinn and from Specsavers, and I don't wear them half as much as I wear these ones that cost me £15. They're just so comfy and light. And here's the new ones. Let's try them on. Oh, I love them. Oh, I'm so excited. They are so pretty. I love the orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. I've got orange curtains in this room. I've got lots of orange stuff over here on the wall. And I actually just love burnt orange right now. I think it's perfect for autumn to have some burnt orange glasses to go with my outfits. And I'm super excited. Let's have a look at them now without them on my face. So they are super light. They have orange all down the side and all along the front. They have fabulous nose pads there, and they also came with spare nose pads. So there's 2 spare nose pads in there in case they break, which I think is fantastic. Because I'm always sitting on my glasses and, you know, being silly. Yeah, they are just so perfect. They're really light. They are obviously not as light as these ones because these are very bare, like these are very minimal. These are very minimal, whereas these are a little bit chunkier, even though they are just the steel frame. And I love the nose pads because they're not sitting on my cheeks. I'm not gonna get sweaty. I'm not gonna be a sweaty Betty. And they are so clean and so clear. It's like having brand new eyes. I love it. I'm gonna just give them a little mop with the cleaning cloth. And they are, yeah, it's literally like having brand new eyes. I'm so excited. I am so excited to take photos in these. I'm so excited to pair them with some autumn outfits. You see Baby Yoda in the background. Yeah, and some like burnt orange lipstick. And also I love when a pair of glasses look good with no makeup on. So other than lipstick, I have no makeup on today, and I think they look great. I've really cut back my makeup wearing because it's just so hot at the moment, so I've been not really wearing makeup, and I love when glasses look good with that. I love them. So thank you so much, Goggles4u. Do check out Goggles4u if you need new eyeglasses. I basically collect glasses at this point. I have 4 pairs now. So I have this pair, I have these ones, I have my pink ones from Ollie Quinn, and I have my green ones from Specsavers, which are broken, so I need to get them fixed. But again, like, I've never had an issue with these. They were super cheap. I think these ones are about £40 to buy new, and I am so grateful that Goggles4u sent them to me to show you guys. So I'm really excited to take pictures in them, and yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know any questions. My prescription is very light for magnetism, so it's like +2.5 and +1 or something, but then I do have prisms, and generally in glasses shops, in like physical glasses shops, a prism lens will make the cost more. With Goggles4u, it doesn't cost anything more to add prisms to your lenses, and you can get like, these are like anti-glare, blue light filtering, anti-scratch. They are all the good coatings and they're still pretty cheap, and it's an amazing service, and I think everyone should be able to afford fashionable eyeglasses. I love them. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at myprettyperfectmess and give us a like or a follow.